Okay, no, but for real. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, basically I'm going to go back to this auto body shop because they have like a finishing touch to do to my vehicle. And then I'm going to try to make it to the school for walk-in advising, just to make sure I only have a certain amount of classes left to graduate next semester. Woo! So yeah, and then I may or may not go to Mat Rank. So yeah, I'll be back on this.
Feeling myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded. Feeling myself, I conceded.
Making like this for real. Come on, baby, it's just a feel. Now take it down slow. Let me take it down slow. Let's go.
Hey y'all, so I'm at school. I'm on campus and currently walking to the damn, my shirt can't move. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I'm currently walking to the advisor's office to see, like I said, if I have enough credits. I mean, not enough credits, but how many classes I need left to graduate, which I think I have a good idea, but I just want to make sure because I need to be gone next semester. So I'll be back.
In front of you.
Okay, alrighty, thank you.
Perfect. So I see 1, 2 so far. 3. I'm like, I thought there was another. It's looking like 3 to me as well. Perfect. Let's double check.
I have 3 more classes to graduate, so Lord's willing, I will be graduating next semester. Hallelujah. So that's very exciting. Yeah, I need to go home and apply for the intent to graduate application and sign up for classes. Hey y'all, so I'm in the back of the car. Why in the hell? Like, I want to go slap the out of this damn man. First of all, it's spring break. It's spring break. Mind you, why the are y'all giving parking tickets, my nigga? I just got 3 parking tickets. Okay, basically, back in parking, this is $20. Then if you don't pay it within 10 working days, they add an extra 10. I can't even talk. They add an extra $10. This one is $50 for parking in a 24-hour reserved space. This one is $30 for no UCF permit. First of all, you know how long I done got away without buying a permit this semester? Number 2, you giving me tickets for parking in a space in this spring break? Ain't nobody here. 50 plus 20, 70 plus 30. Baby, that's $100 in one. First of all, we was just talking about this in one of my classes, and the professor said made, I think it was over 100 million just off parking tickets. Like, y'all ain't got nothing else to do, baby. Why'd you even work in spring break? I should have known. I should have just parked in the parking garage. I should have known. And then I probably just only would have got the one for no permit. But baby, like, what? So why the hell he just rolled back over here and he looking at me? Don't look at me, because I should run your behind off the road. You is just like, you just gave me $100 worth of tickets, my nigga. And then if I don't pay these tickets within a certain amount of days, it goes up like $10, $15. And you have to pay them before you graduate. And baby, I might just milk it, because that was not in my budget. That's not in my plans to spend $100 on parking tickets. like during spring break. Like, let's be so for real. Like,
Holy, my ear hurts.
Yeah, they should be by. Is that it? 6? Okay. Can't say they should be by time. Okay. Oh, yeah.
so I'm back in the car, y'all. Leaving the auto body shop. It was a real quick procedure that they had to do that they should have really been done, but it's done. So hopefully I gotta see they behinds no more. And now I'm headed back home.
Can I get a window so presently I'm standing.
So I forgot to tell y'all. As I'm leaving the advisor office, walking back to my car, so it's this man and it's like Aramark, ARAMARK. You know, like the little school, the business that has something to do with schooling. So he riding, he talking about, you alright or something. He said, I'm looking at him, what you talking about? Like, mind your business. And even if I wasn't alright, what are you gonna do about it? Number 2, stranger danger. I don't even know you, sir. Keep on, like, you on duty. Leave me the hell alone.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need China. I need a spring mind now. I really need mine now. I really need.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, I think. Wednesday or Tuesday. I think it's Wednesday. I don't know. But supposed to be going to lunch. A little lunch today. And then I don't know. Probably not much else. Come home, handle some business, and then that's it. So, but I'm gonna take y'all. Hopefully I'll take y'all. I'm gonna take y'all. Alright, I'll be back. In the car, y'all, on the way to get some food. And damn, I probably turned it down a little too late, but the sun is sunny. Good baby. I'm a little smissed. No, I'm cool. I've never been here, you guys, so let's see what this will be about.
You set me
is from Fashion Nova. This is from Fashion Nova. Watch Versace. These, I'm not sure. Shoes. Queen accessories. Hit the link in the bio. Cute. Hey y'all, so I'm in the gym and I'm about to work out. Look at my mess though. Look at how this. I'm not gonna really show y'all that much of me, but y'all get the gym.
My boy fully in this thing from India, you dig?
She got a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's Ash for the time, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassing. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sword. My heart is sesame, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lid or they biting my chain. Championship, I just gon' end the shit. Bitch, breaking it to the look at the kid. Dirty the fountain, but make it in Canada, bro. Get this money like it's my religion. It could be a mad, they're sad. If any of these niggas, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kids. I trap out of bandos, been till on the crib. I look at the ocean, the sky through the air. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter where I'm in. I have touch her ass, she don't think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, get no competition. Too many breaks, no hold on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quiz. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. Chief had a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's Ash for the time, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me.
Hey y'all, so just a quick check-in. I'm about to head to the movies and I'm not sure what movie I'm going to see. It may be Scream, it may not be Scream, but you seen the little piece. No, but for real though, I'm not sure what movie I'm going to see, but I plan on taking y'all with me. So yeah, outfit, Fashion Nova, shoes, Tory Burch, and this is Fashion Nova. So I'll be back. I gotta go. Yeah. So I'm walking down the steps. I'm trying to record in, but I'm holding it with my left hand.
You know that I used to be fucking. You don't want nothing to say.
I don't know if y'all can hear me. We at Universal Studios.
Young rich, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, you know your bitch, she a dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue.
Learn to sell for me already.